G'day, it's Tim Gentle from Think Digital, and I always love exploring the digital world. This time we're exploring SocialVR. It allows us to meet up in a collaborative space online. Take Zoom for instance and inject it with a 360 environment. Currently we are exploring and rebuilding our Farm VR world, our SocialVR learning platform. And what better way to rebuild than to look beyond our bubble and have a look at what others from around the world are doing. Well, I was lucky enough to go on Charlie Fink's world tour where we visited lots of different platforms, and here we go. One of the platforms that we got to visit was VR+AR. Now this was a great platform, highly advanced with lots of collaborative opportunities. We were able to meet the makers, they joined us on webcams, we went into the campus. Now this was mind-blowing. Running around the campus was a lot of fun. We used the arrow keys on our computer and we were able to have a look at what was being built. The great thing about this platform is it's ready to go out of the box, or you can customize the environments to suit your needs. A fantastic platform to collaborate with team members right across the globe. We're currently collaborating with about 4 or 5 people in Spatial. Spatial is an amazing collaboration tool. I mean, it almost feels like the people are in your environment when you're looking through AR wearables. We met up in a space, we collaborated with some 3D objects, we were able to see some 2D video and some presentations. This is a fantastic tool for teams to meet from around the world, and they could be talking about an engineering drawing. Rightio, we are in Arthur, another collaborative platform, and we're meeting Dominic, looks to be the creator, and him. We ventured through all the different 3D spaces, learning the different tools and collaboration opportunities. We worked with 3D objects, we were able to go into a lecture hall, and again, collaborate like never before. I really like the brainstorming room where, like in real life, you would put post-it notes up on the wall. You can do this in a VR space. Great for brainstorming with your team. The next one we went into was The Wild. Now this one is purpose-built for architectural and engineering. We can prototype some designs, we can talk about them, and we can make modifications to the 3D designs in VR. We then were able to walk into the space we built. Imagine building a model and then being able to walk through a door and stand inside it. This could be your kitchen, this could be your house, or it could be your backyard or your farm plan. Either way, The Wild was hyper-realistic and allowed us to collaborate with people right across the globe. We then jumped into Flow. Now Flow is a purpose-built platform that allows us to look at data like never before. Now we've got an X and Y axis in 2D land, but imagine now having a Z axis. Now take it a step further, why don't you dive into the data and be part of it? I must admit, my comprehension of the topic was far superior than if I was just looking at a 2D graph. SocialVR is a very exciting opportunity to collaborate like never before. So instead of just meeting in a 2D environment using, say, video, we can now be part of the environment. We can meet up with avatars, we can collaborate with our team members from across the globe, and it almost feels like you're in the same world. Well, you are actually. You're in the same virtual world.